there's a lot going on today. Besides going to get some sushi. I haven't had sushi in a minute, so I figured let's go get some sushi. I don't want to go far, right? I want to go somewhere around here, come back and just post it up, you know, and probably just vibe out to some Chinese melody. I've been on it lately, you know what I mean? Every now and then, you know how you switch music. Yeah, the Chinese melody been hitting late. Leonard Train diet been hitting lately, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So I've been doing that. Yeah. Happy holidays, guys. Shouts to everybody. I just got these in today. Look at these. I got me a new fresh pair of the what's called the Kung Fu ones. These are the Kung Fu ones. I got a pair right here, but this was gonna be the second pair. We ain't messing around, guys. You know what I mean? You have it here first. We're bringing these joints back, guys. Just FYI that this right here is not a costume that I just wear, you know what I mean? Let's be clear. I want to be clear. This is not a costume that I just wear just to have fun and shoot video. At this point, this is an everyday wear for Bobby Jones, right? You wear what you like, you wear what you want, you know what I mean? And I'm not even gonna lie, me growing up as a kid, I used to watch Chinese movie, Kung Fu, all type of series, right? TVB, and I love the culture, you know what I mean? I am Chinese, but I love the Chinese culture, right? Let's be clear, Bobby Jones is 25% Chinese and 75% Cambodian. So, you know, I'm gonna rep it, right? I'm gonna rep the Cambodian side, and I'm gonna rep the Chinese side, right? Let's be clear. I love this joint. To me, this right here, this is fresh. This is dope. Let's be clear. You know what I'm saying? To me, it's like this is dope. I will be wearing this a lot. Okay, I want to be clear that this is gonna be an everyday thing. You know what I mean? It might not be all the time, right? But just know that you're gonna see a lot of this starting from now on. You're gonna be seeing a lot of this. This is real. You know what I mean? We're gonna tap back in. We're gonna bring it back. You know what I mean? This is not a game. Shoot. You know what I mean? What else we got, y'all? What else do we got? I got Panel 1, 2 right here. I want to have him, you know, dressed up and just do a little something with his pop. You know what I mean? So, I got 1, 2. Hopefully it fits him. All right, y'all. We're gonna get ready to what's it called? Go get some sushi. And then we'll come back and probably chill for a little bit, you know what I mean? Listen to music. Something like that, right? We're gonna vibe out, but yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. We'll be back, y'all. Yes, we're good to go. Let's go get some sushi now. Hope it's good. I got this one thing I want to try. I see on the menu was like this little Japanese ball where they cooked it on the streets. I'm not sure what it's called, but I want to get that. I see that on the menu. On one of the pictures, so let's try something different. Let's have some fun. I wanted to try something different, so I just decided to look it up, and this is what pops up. How you doing? Can I dine in?
Yeah, of course. Just for you?
Yeah, just me only. All right, let's see what they got, guys. I'm gonna try some sake today. That's what we're gonna do. The fuck?
This is the
okay. Okay, let's do it here. Okay. All right. Cool, man. Let me get that. So they got. Okay. Let me get that. Let me get that one there. Mm-hmm. And how about a sake? What do you recommend a good sake?
Yeah, personally, I haven't tried any.
Really?
But the most popular one that we do sell is this one here, the Oran.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that too. And some water too, please. Look like that's about it. Let me see. Yeah, that should be it. Any appetizer you recommend?
Appetizer recommend. That's a lot of food. Are you sure you're gonna get
Oh, really? So I should be good, right?
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
the whole platter right there. That's
Okay.
usually shared between a
Cool.
couple
Sounds good,
people.
bro. Thank you, man. All right, yeah. I think I try to over order, so he's looking out. That's a good thing. All right, guys. So this bottle costs $28. This is pretty pricey sake. So this is cold sake. All right. See what everybody's looking at me. They're like, who is this guy? The plate I got is $70. It's like a little combination, a little bit of everything, guys. So it should be good. I'm excited. It's just me by myself, vibing out. It's gonna happen. I'm trying to tell you guys right now, what's gonna happen. You got to be by yourself. You have to learn how to deal with it. All right, yeah, this looks crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this joint. I don't know what I got, but I got a little bit of everything. Damn, we going in. All right, guys, let's dig in and see what it do. Let's dig in. This is gonna be my bowl. Forget all that. We're gonna need some more soy sauce. Forget all that. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks good. Let's do this one first. It's not bad. I tell you what, BJ family, I made the right choice today of getting this. God dang it, I dropped the meat. I'm not sure what this is, guy, but this is good. Maybe I should just eat it plain first, because it got a little soft in it for you already. Let's eat it plain first. It's not bad. This looks like salmon and crab. It's like a little smoky flavor for the salmon. It's different. Let's do the tuna. Let's do the tuna. Forget all that. Forget all that. Let's do the tuna.
Yes.
My thing is heavy. I'm not stuck. Oh, that was too much soy sauce. I messed up, y'all. I shouldn't have done that. Let's try it again. Let's try the salmon. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is. This is an egg. This is an egg and rice. Egg and rice. It's not bad. I would have to say my favorite thing here is this. This is the best thing on the plate. Did I drip a sauce on my shirt? No way. I'm bugging if I did. Look at this. A little piece right here. I'm bugging. This one's alright. I'm not sure what this one is, but it's alright.
Yeah. So let's start small. Yeah. Thank you.
Let's do the shrimp while I'm at it. Last one right here. This thing is fire right here.
Yeah, I mean,
One more guy, I'm done right here. This is the last bite. This is the last bite right here. That crunch is everything. It's all about that crunch. This is actually pretty good. I like this. It's pricey. Horin? It's pretty pricey. Small little bottle, 28 bucks. You know what? It's the holidays. I'm allowed to splurge on myself a little bit. Have some fun, you know what I mean? It's just what it is. Enjoy it. Don't do it all the time, but enjoy it. I'm just gonna enjoy it, that's all it is. I work hard, I deserve it. Get my shirt dirty a little bit here, I'll go back and clean that. It's kind of messed up, bro. How you doing, brother? What is this right here?
Vegas.
Huh?
It's a Vegas roll.
That's good.
You like that one?
That's the best thing on the plate. I like that.
It's like I think it's like tuna eel and cream cheese.
Oh, okay, yeah. The cream cheese, everything, the crunch and everything. Yeah, I'm giving that a 10-10. The rest is cool stuff. These are not bad. You know, it doesn't got the sushi meat and everything, but that was good.
But yeah,
How's your day?
I'm doing alright.
Busy?
Not at all.
Not at all?
But now, everyone wants
Here
to
and
see
there, right?
it,
Is
so
what it is. Thank you.
that just happened.
Right on. Can I get a boxer, brother?
Of course.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, no, this is a lot. I took like 6 shots already. This is a lot. God dang it. At first I thought it was a little bit. I'm like, man, they give me a small bottle. I paid 28 bucks for this. Excuse me. Cool, thank you, brother. What's the bill, chat? What's the bill, chat? 108.39. It's not bad. I mean, I got a big plate, but you know, I like one of the things on it, so I guess it's a cool. Yeah, I guess it's cool. Got me a little sake. The sake was cool, so you know what? It's cool. It is what it is. You gotta put it. You gotta put it on the Apple Card. This thing right here is titanium. You hear that? Titanium. Well, I get a candy too. I get a candy too. You know, we got leftovers. I'm gonna bring these for Baba Joe. Baba Joe gonna love these joint. I'm gonna tell her that these are garbage, so she don't eat those. She could have the rest. She could have the rest. I don't mind. I got a little bit of everything. You know what I mean? Oh snap. We got a little bit of everything, bro. We got a little bit of everything. We got wasabi. Oh snap. Why you do that for?
You Filipino?
Cambodian, brother.
Cambodia?
Yeah. I look Filipino?
Yeah.
I get that. I've been getting that my whole life.
And you got the Filipino swag.
Oh, you said Filipino swag. You mean Chinese? These are Chinese.
Kind of.
It's a Chinese. This is a Chinese clothing,
Well,
right?
you're wearing that, but then you have the hat on, so I'm thinking.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. Man, I was trying to be a little fancy with it, man. I do a little YouTube and here and there, so I'm just trying to have fun with it. You know what I mean? Just dress up, have fun. The BJF family.
BJF family?
Yeah.
Okay.
It stands for Bobby Jones family. My name is Bobby Jones, so I call it Bobby Jones family, because I feel like people who support me and show love and all that, you know, we call them subscriber, right? Yeah. But if they show love, they engage, and they support me. That's fam, bro. You know what I mean? It's the way I look at it. You know what I mean? So it's BJF family.
BJF
So, you know what I mean? Yeah, thank you, man. You know, appreciate you. You support you a BJF family too. You know what I'm saying? We all support each other in order to, you know what I mean? That's all it is. But no, the food was cool. Thank you, brother. Definitely. Did I grab everything, y'all? I grabbed the wasabi. I still got the candy. We're about done, chat. We're about done. I'm gonna keep my receipt. It's my receipt too. Look at the receipt, man. Oh, that's your receipt. Oh, this is yours, right? Okay. Cool. Thank you, brother, man. Have a good night. All right, guys. It's only 6:47. It's too early. Jeez Louise. All right, guys. Q Sushi Bar and Kitchen. Not bad at all. I like something there. You know what I mean? It's cool. Come check it out. I just want to try something different. I type out best sushi and I type up best sushi near me, right? Because I wanted to see who got the best sushi. I want the quality. I want the quality, right? Who got the best sushi? Jesus Louise, it's freaking cold. God dang it. I just want to be at home at this point. What the easy? It was cool. I recommend it, you know. Good service, nice gentlemen, good company. Sushi's not bad at all. You know what I mean? It depends what you order, you know what I mean? So, to me, it seems pretty good, you know, legit. I did like that one order that I said. I forgot what it was. It was fried. Anything, you know, you guys already know, right? Anything is fried, it's gonna taste delicious. You know that. Anything that is fried is gonna taste delicious. So that was good. That's the only thing fried. And just the crunch, the cream cheese, a little bit of everything together. That thing was amazing. I like it. The sake was cool. I like the sake. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not a big sake drinker, but when I do sushi, I feel like it's the need to do sake. So I wanted to do sake. I'm not sure what it was. I'm not sure if the one that served cold or was the one that served hot, right? To me, it don't matter. I just choose what he said. That was the popular one. I'm like, all right, cool. Let me get the popular one. So he gave me the cold sake, and guess what? I enjoy it. It was a small little bottle, but it got the job done, and it I'm satisfied. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give the overall for the whole experience. I would say 9 out of a 10, because I feel like the other two dishes, it was alright. All right. The best thing was the fried, and we already know sashimi is just gonna be the raw meat. You dip it in the wasabi, the ginger, the soy sauce. We know that. That was cool. That was legit. You know, I expected to be that, right? But the other two one was alright. So I'll give it 9 out of 10. That's still good. Go check it out.